The next 7 days. So we've got a little clipper system coming in, might bring a few flurries, some sprinkles north Alabama for later on tonight, but most of us are just going to see an increase in cloud cover. And then Wednesday night and through early Thursday morning, we've got another system that's going to bring us some showers. Most of it will be gone by the middle to latter part of Thursday morning. So again, most of it's going to come through during the overnight period, dry and cold again on Friday. And then the weekend looks unsettled at times, mainly Saturday night into Sunday. We could see our next chance for some showers, but there's a lot of uncertainty with that forecast still. Here's a look at that clipper system. As I mentioned, an increasing cloud cover tonight. A few snowflakes or flurries flying around later tonight. This is 11 o'clock on the Futurecast, and you can see that up here close to Coleman, South Vinemont, Summit, Snead, maybe over toward Mountain Burr and Keener. But for most of us, we're just not going to see much, and so you can look real hard, maybe close one eye, but again, the majority of us are likely not even going to see any flurries. I think it'll be mainly confined to kind of areas along the Tennessee border and points north, as the air is so dry and it's expected to really kind of dissipate as it shifts south with time. Today, 51 degrees. We'll start in the 20s and low 30s, and then for tomorrow, temperatures are expected to get even colder. So our feels like numbers tomorrow morning as you head out the door. Look at these teens: 17 Double Springs, Coleman, 19 Pinson, some low 20s here in the metro area. And then for Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when we're expecting our next chance for some rain. Temperatures warm into the mid 50s on Wednesday. This is at about 3 a.m. on Thursday morning, and you can see a few showers moving through pretty quickly. So by lunchtime, we now have a northwest wind and we're quite a bit drier. Dry and colder on Friday, and then some clouds moving in Saturday, some showers possible Sunday.